everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be this graphic liner. I thought it was different and unique and I wanted to try something else on my channel. I'm using the MAC liquid lipstick in the shade Chanteula, I believe it's called, and I'm using a Tarte brush. For this technique, you are going to want to pretty much follow the crease, but you do not want to go directly in the crease. You want to start placing the liquid lip above the crease. That way it can have the open effect and have enough space to apply the lip gloss. Once I have my line down, I'm going to go ahead and thicken it up a bit. I did not use a eyeliner, but if you had a eyeliner in any color of your choice, you can use that. But I thought a liquid lip would do just as fine as long as I had a pointed liner brush to make the defined line. Now that I have my cut crease liner perfected, I'm going to go ahead and apply a wing eyeliner. You're going to want to create your wing per usual like you do, but the only difference is you want to connect the outer corners. That way it can kind of pull the look together and just be one kind of like fully connected eye look instead of having like breakage or anything like that. And I just like the way it looks to create that pocket effect for the gloss. The only difference is I'm not going to go and bring the wing all the way to the inner corner because I don't want to shut my eyes. So I'm just going to do it pretty much halfway, as you guys are going to see in the tutorial. Also, I did not prime my eyelids. I like the effect of just a natural like skin tone peeking through the gloss. So I feel like with this tutorial, it's very visual and simple. You guys will be able to create this look in a heartbeat because honestly, it's easy. So now I'm moving on to the lip gloss. For the lip gloss portion, I'm going to be using the Yes to Coconut Oil lip gloss. It's just a clear gloss. You can use any gloss of your choice and just apply it to the bare skin where nothing is. In this clip, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the eye look, any mistakes or anything of that nature, and I'm also going to make sure that it's even with the other side. That pretty much completes the eye look. Pretty simple, right? Now moving on to the skin. For the skin, I'm priming using my e.l.f. Mineralized Veil Skin Finish Primer. For my choice of foundation today, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Nutmeg. Blend everything together. I'm just going to be using my damp Real Technique sponge. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade... What shade is this? I believe it's deep. Oh, medium deep, and I'm just going to be blending it out with my Real Technique sponge as well. I'll be taking my Cody Airspun translucent powder, and I'm just going in and setting / baking the face. My bake was sitting for quite a bit, so I'm just going in with a fluffy brush and just dusting away all the excess powder. I wanted a more chiseled effect, so I went ahead and contoured using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium. color back onto my face, I'm going in with the Exposed Blush by Tarte. I don't know why, but I like the effect that blush adds to the tip of the nose. I just think that it flushes everything together and just looks very pretty. Highlighter today, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill x Becca highlighter in the shade Proseco Pop, and I'm just going to be pretty much highlighting all the high points of my face. I'm even taking this highlighter on my brow bone and inner corner. I think that really tied the look together with that pop of like champagne gold tone. I really think it was pretty. Of course, I wanted to be extra and match my eye look, so I'm going in with the MAC Liquid Lip in Chanteula again and just applying it all over my lips. Over top, I'm using the Yes to Coconut Oil Lip Gloss and applying it all over my lips to get that wet, glossy effect. But yeah, this brings you to the end of this graphic liner glossy lid look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I know it was a bit different. Be sure to subscribe, like, turn on my post notifications, and I'll speak to you guys in my next video. Bye!
To mix up in drama, to free my mind. Jealous people around me, I need to change my life. I just turn colder every time I try. What would I do